American flagship, meaning that it was designed, engineered, and manufactured in the United States. For a vehicle to really be a flagship, it's important the product doesn't just get handed from one group to the next. And with the 2019 Avalon, there was close collaboration very early on.
Everybody had a chance to really work from the beginning on this project. We have production engineering, our design team, our styling team. We were able to kind of start from scratch. Toyota looked at every part, every system, and started over. How are we going to set the standard for Toyota and also we feel the world for driving dynamics, noise and vibration, engine performance, fuel economy, all of these things were considered.
We started down that journey and developed a concept direction, and once we get that done, we start sketching and designing and visualizing shapes and ideas about what this next vehicle could be.
We had to make certain that it wasn't just built to the specs. And so the team members spent hours and hours training to make sure that the product wasn't like any other.
I think people will recognize this car as something bold and new and innovative.
I'm so proud to be part of the 2019 Avalon. It's not about building to a specification, it's building it for a customer. The 2019 Avalon is a really important car for Toyota. There was a lot of new technology as part of the Toyota New Global Architecture. And so that meant we needed to work closely with the designers and with the engineers to make sure that the team can produce it efficiently.
It was very critical that the earliest stages, we brought together the different divisions to work with design to give input. During the clay model development, we were able to see the styling and start to understand how could we bring the product to life? How would we be able to manufacture it?
We work with the team members on making sure that they have all the tools and equipment that they need to install the parts onto the vehicle correctly. And so for us in engineering, it's exciting to be able to work with design early on because it helps us as a company to make sure that they're fine-tuned to what they need every day to ensure that we build the best cars for our customer.
This is really a team environment, and it's exciting to put both my passion for cars and for engineering into play every day.
We always want to challenge ourselves to do even more. It's really about the Toyota pride. It's about building something special and knowing that every customer is getting the absolute best.